Making a video to show you how to log into Edmodo if you haven't already. So one way you can log in is to go to this link right here. I'm going to also put it on a parent square message. So you're going to put in that link right there at the bar, and it'll come to join class, Miss Hill's first grade. Are you a teacher, student, or parent? So you're going to click on student, and you're going to log in with your child's username. So I'm going to use Thomas's just to try it out. Taken. Okay, password. Oh, that's for setup. So you'll set it up if you haven't already. If you have set it up, then you'll just come in here and you'll log in with your account. That's my account right there. Let me erase. Okay, so I'll put in Thomas's login, which will be your child's login, and then you'll put in the password that I sent you. And then you'll press login. When you do that, it'll come up on your website like this, and it'll have an option to save password. I'm not going to save it, but Thomas definitely can. So when you get to your class page, it'll look like this. It's kind of similar, I would say, to almost like a social media page, but it's not. It's educational, and it's through my page and through the school's website. So when you get on here, you see Thomas Rowland. You have his name right there. You have the post that Miss Hill will be putting, that I'll be putting up. And when you come on, you'll see that I posted 2 hours ago. Good morning, class. Welcome to the first week. And I also have some attachments right there, so you can click on that and you'll see all the stuff that I sent out. And this isn't all for today, this is just for the whole week, because I told you guys before, I'm aware that some of you guys may have access today, maybe you won't tomorrow or another day, so this way you can kind of get all this right up front, know what your child's expected to do, print them out if you need to, or do them, take pictures of the work and then send it to me. As you look down, you'll also see I have a poll right there. It's like, how are you viewing this message today? So I'll do those periodically just to check in with you guys. And there's just some more assignments. So the main thing you need to know when you log on here is you'll click on, okay, Miss Hill's first grade, and you'll see at the top my post that will always be right at the top, just telling you what to expect every day. Check your newsletters, check in Monday, check in every day if you can. Complete assignments by Friday. And you'll also see, let's see, should be, yep, a newsletter right here. And this newsletter is broken down by days. It's not like a regular newsletter. It's got Monday to Friday on there. So when you click on it, you'll see it, and it tells us each day what to do. When you get back on your Edmodo page, you can also see this by clicking on folders. If you click on folders right here, you'll see where I put your most common word list, 1 to 100. I have week 1, which includes all those attachments for the week, and then a resource page that just tells you some websites on your Clever page that your child can do if they need something else educational to do. Okay, and so at the top, you'll see planner, backpack, discover, messages. So messages is where you can write me, kind of like you can on Parent Square. Backpack is where you can save some things in your attachments on file. Planner should let you know what's coming. So right there it says, oh, I guess that's for the other Edmodo class, but it'll let you know, up here is the upcoming, the different things that we have assigned. So if you want to click on something to do it or to see it, you can click right here, weekly sight word choice board. So you can look there and say open. So you open it up. Okay, and it says your work is empty, click below to add a response, attach files. So there's different ways you can put your answers. But if you want to look at it and see what is this file asking, your weekly choice board is wanting every day you to complete one of these things. Create flashcards, rainbow write sentences. Those are all things that your child can do. And to turn it in, like I told you, you can create something. You can text response, Word document, attach an assignment. You can even attach it from a phone message. Like, so if you take a picture of your child's work, you can actually insert it there as well. A lot of links open. So anyway, every day if you come in here and just check on and see what I posted, sometimes I'll put links up, sometimes I'll put video messages, just letting you know what your child needs to do. And like I said, if you click on the planner, you should always know what's due, what's upcoming, as it says. And then it also will show you an option for completed. So after you've done it, you'll actually be able to see where you've completed it as well. And you can access this through your phone or through a website or even an app. So Math Fact Families, we do have some math work. That's all for now. So each week I'll be putting up things for your child to do, and you can always look at that in the to-do, but I also will always have a file. So if you want to print everything at one time, you can always print, like this says week 1, so you can click on that and print all these as well. So there's different ways you can turn it in, but this is just a good way to access information and also check in with me daily. I hope this was informative. Thank you.